Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 13th of October 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty and Nifty October future. So first, before moving ahead, I just would like to tell you that whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so let's get started with Nifty October future first. Okay, seeing at the Nifty October future, the previous closing was at 17,114 while the open was at 17,085, while the high was at 17,086 and then low was created at 16,927. So when we come back on the Nifty October future chart on 3 minutes time frame, we can clearly see how the trend has been following. Okay, first let me give you a range which is over here. Okay, the higher range would be this tops, the lower range would be this top. This is the first range, and in between this my range would go from anywhere between over here and this bottom. Okay, so this is the second range. Okay, so yeah, this is the second range. One second, let me just draw it slightly bigger in the color of green. Okay, for you, let me make it easier. So here you see, so and I'll just make the another one more and then I'll make it into red. Second range. Okay, so my first range would be this, second range would be this red, first range is green. Okay, so the green trend line which is horizontal, you see that. Okay, so the market came down from here, quickly touched to this range, then recovered from here, again touched to the range. Okay, this is in less than like the 11th October, 12th October, and then again dropped to the 12th October, drops back again, and then same day it goes like rallies so much. In the 12th day it was very volatile, and then next day was supposed to gap up above this, but there was a fear of inflation in the US which did not let to a gap up opening, and then it fell down from breaking this from first range, my second range, which is the red line. It broke down, opened below the gap up at approximately 17,087, and then broke my first green line which we see over here. It's top range and touched quickly within 1 hour. It touched 16,979. Okay, 85 and then 79 it touched, went up and again down and then again went up, and quickly it traveled in this range, and the market has been going like this. So now the market has recovered in less than like at approximately 2 o'clock. The market went from 16,954, it went to 17,063, quickly came back to 81 and then again recovered to this level, this point, which is 17,031, and the markets managed to close at 17,800, expecting a gap up, gap down, because right now the time I am recording this video is 9:35 and the Dow opened approximately 450 points lower, and the Nasdaq also opens similarly lower, which also indicates us a downtrend tomorrow. But you know what, after 8 o'clock the market significantly recovered, and I saw just 10 to 15 minutes ago that the Dow Jones was trading approximately 400 points higher, and 450 points higher. Now I'm not sure where is it trading, but I'll just let you know where exactly it is trading. Okay, so now coming back, so this is the Nifty's analysis, and now let's go back in the October part. Okay, so October is here on the Bank Nifty. Okay, so the Bank Nifty closed at 39,214 and the opening was created at 39,000, while the low was created at 38,520, while the high was at 39,166. Okay, now let's get back over here and then see you in the 3 minutes time frame. I'll draw the horizontal line. As I said again, in this I'll choose a green color for my first trend line. Take a little bigger candle line, and my line would be, okay, so this would be the top, the bottom would be this pivot level. Okay, it's breaking this, okay, because it's exactly the pivot level. So we can see how it has been moving. So 10th of October from 38,660 it went up till 39,500, dropped back to 38,950, and then again 39,230, again touched the level of this, which was at approximately 38,719, touched back to the top of the pivot level, came back again went to 39,267. What this indicates? This indicates that there is a lot of volatility happening over in the market right now. The volatility is so much so that from 1020 it moves up to approximately 600-800 points, comes down next half an hour for approximately 500 points, then again goes up for 300 points, comes down for again 300 points. So it's happening in such a way that volatility that we are currently seeing, how the market is behaving right now. So today the market opened around at the top, went gap down, broke the first level at the bottom, and then the first candle of 3 minutes closed around 39,000, and then in like it closed approximately at 10.3, and then the reached at 11.45 the market reached to 39,660, and then it broke the level and came back to 39,520. It reached, made a low, quickly recovered from there up until 700, and then it was kind of volatile again over here and created a big high and touched 38,990, tried to break the level of 39,000 and change, but it could not sustain there. A lot of heavy selling has come by the end of the day, and then the markets managed to close at 38,770. Okay, so I hope you understand my point. So a lot of volatility is there, but surely I'm telling you, there is a big movement is about to happen soon. Okay, what this trend line shows to me is, like, if we shift this to 5 minutes and zoom it out and then see the the uptrend has over, it has gotten down and then again went up. It stayed only this much, like approximately 1-2 days it stayed approximately about 39,500, and then it has been in a range. Now if it breaks 38,600, there's a crucial level we can expect it up to 37,300 it to travel. If not, if it breaks at the top side, we can see 40,000 coming soon, but I am more keen on seeing 37,300 soon, and I am hoping that this trend line will be broken soon. And there is also US and Russia tension going on, that Russia has warned US that if Ukraine joins the NATO, they will definitely start a nuclear war, which is also dangerous for every other countries and people like us. There's a lot of troubles gonna come in. Nuclear war if happens, it's going to be a worse for the economy, and all the NATO members are slightly scared. I would say, I would use that word as scared, because they just do not want to mess with Putin, and they just said it to the US that he's not bluffing and he may start the he will start the nuclear war. So let us just try to stay away from Ukraine, and because if Ukraine wants to join the NATO, he has to. I mean, they have to get passes from all the NATO members, and agree, like all these agreements should be there. And I don't know what exactly happens over there, but this is like what I know exactly how the things works over there. Yeah. So hope for the best. No war happens. Whatever is happening in the Ukraine, which is made by Russia, I hope the things get solved, and hope everything goes well. Yeah. Well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Peace.